Hello guys, today you're going to see one of the rarest boxes in the world of Pokemon. Here it is. I'm so excited. I really want to open it now. What are you waiting for? Let's start it. 3. It's so hard to open. Oh God. Oh my. It's so hard to open, guys. Oh my God. Okay, now we got it. What is this? This is... Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh my... This is very cool. Okay, and let's open it like this. Here's Darkrai, and it's a promo. And here's the color card. And here's the thing that you put on your shirt. I like these things. Let's start with this pack first. Here's Flippy, and here's a red card. Here's Clorter, Caterpie, Dadu, Water Energy. Cool. Going to put these all away. Here's Ghastly, Snorlax. Oh my God! This is a Flyron EX. Oh my God! And next, Charizard EX. My God, these are so good. I like them. Oh my God. And let's see the other pack. I think this one is not very good. And let's guess the energy game. Steel. Yes, Steel. Slowpoke, Magmar, and Ghastly, Energy, Charizard, wow, like him, Genox, and here's Pikachu, and Coaster, cool, and here's the Minotaur. Thanks guys for watching. And thanks guys for watching my super duper good video. And bye bye guys. See you next time. Niche voice.